And hello there, Digimon fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a Figurized Standard Amplified model kit from Bandai Spirits. It's MetalGarurumon, and yes, this will be my very first Figurized Standard Amplified unboxing on my channel. So what we have here is, yes again, MetalGarurumon Amplified. Now, this looks to me as the Antibody X version of MetalGarurumon, where it's more mechanical, has more details, and spikier than the ones that we see in the anime. So, in the box art, we see MetalGarurumon howling and lightning surrounding him. Off to one side, yeah, there we go. We have MetalGarurumon, all the gimmicks you can do with him, the poses that you can do with him, and also how flexible this model kit is. As you can see, you can there are joints known to make pose him better, like a four-legged creature, like a dog, cat, or a wolf, like what he is modeled after. Off to the other side is we have the front view and rear view of MetalGarurumon, and as well as some details about MetalGarurumon. Okay, so that's what we have for the box art and what the information surrounding the boxes. So let's see what's inside the box. So first up, we have, let me put this to the side. We have one bag with 2 sprues and a sticker sheet for MetalGarurumon. Second bag, we have 3 sprues, 1 golden, 1 clear, 1 ABS sprue here. I think that's for the joints. Third bag, more golden parts and some black parts here. Fourth one, yeah, blue parts and a multicolored sprue. Next bag, single color sprues this time, so this will be the gloss, I guess, and more armor parts for his body, I guess. Last bag contains the stand where we could put MetalGarurumon. And then, yes, we have the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. And first up, we have the A1 sprue, where there are clear red parts, a clear yellow part, all white and dark blue parts here for MetalGarurumon. So I think this is for the effects. Yeah, white parts consist, I think, this part here for the head and the feet, I guess. So that's the A1. Aside from the A1, there is also an A2. Let me just get the sprue. This has tons of sprues, There is an A2 in which you can see a part of A1 has been replicated. See? So here, just same parts from A1 replicated. So again, the effect parts for the feet, I guess, and this one here. So that's A1 and A2. We also have a B1, which is the purplish or the lavender, I don't know what color this is, part of MetalGarurumon. And aside from the B1, same like the A1 and A2, there are parts that are replicated. Here, yeah, here it is. So there are parts replicated, right, from B1 to make the B2 plate here. And we also have a C1, which is the most of the gold parts for MetalGarurumon. And again, the same as the A and B sprues, We also have a C2, which is again a duplicate of a certain part of C1. Okay. Then we have a D1, which is all pink. So we can see the tongue here. This must be the eyes, part of the chest here, and of course the claws for MetalGarurumon. D1 also comes with a D2, which is a clear blue sprue. And we have a E1, mostly dark gray, for the mechanical parts for MetalGarurumon. And we have half of it for E2. And yeah, we have one sprue for the ABS parts for the joints, and then they do give us the stand for MetalGarurumon to display him, as seen in the anime, MetalGarurumon can fly. So they gave us the stand, and of course a tiny sticker sheet for some parts wherein you need to apply them, which in my case I might be painting. So there you have it, Digimon fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Figurized Standard Amplified MetalGarurumon. And if this is your first time in my channel and viewing my videos, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the other videos, and sharing the videos. And this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you and thank you.